In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your ClickUp account. Backing up your ClickUp workspace is a simple but important habit. It gives you an extra layer of protection for your tasks, projects, and documentation in case anything goes wrong, or you need to restore or review old data later. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through exporting your ClickUp data so you can safely store it outside of ClickUp as a backup. First, open ClickUp and go to your list view. This can be any list inside your workspace. The key is just to make sure you're inside the correct workspace and logged into the right account. Once you're in a list, look towards the interface for your main options and find the settings area. This is usually represented by a gear icon or labeled as settings. Click on that to open your account and workspace settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see a column or panel on the left-hand side with different sections. Look for the option labeled Imports, Exports, and click on it. This is where ClickUp lets you bring data in from other tools or send your own data out as a backup. By default, you might land on the Import section. Since you want to create a backup, you'll need to switch to Exporting. Look for a tab or button labeled Export and click on that instead. This will open the export options for your workspace. Next, you'll see a drop-down labeled Select Location, or something very similar. Click on this drop-down. ClickUp will show you the available workspaces or locations that you can export from. From this list, choose the specific workspace you want to back up. If you manage multiple workspaces, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one, as the export will only include data from the workspace you choose here. Once your workspace is selected, you're ready to begin the export process. Look for the button labeled Start Export and click it. ClickUp will now prepare your data. Depending on the size of your workspace and how much information you have stored, this may take a little time, so be patient and allow ClickUp to finish generating the export file. After the export is complete, you'll see an option to download it. Click on Download Export to save the file to your computer. Choose a safe location, such as a dedicated backups folder or an external drive, and consider naming it with the date so you can easily track when the backup was created. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your ClickUp account.